Hey everyone, this is Brady Hammond, and today we are going to be showing you how we can solve, right now it's only one side of the Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
And, we are going to try to learn how to solve
The full thing.
Yeah,
the whole thing.
But now, before we can solve that, we're going to show
you that we can
one
make a side.
So we can remember it before we do that whole thing. So let me show. Jack, what do you want me to do? Red?
Stop.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mine might take like 2 minutes because I'm like new to solving sides.
Done.
Okay.
Alright, now let's show you how Jack can solve
Wait, what
it.
do you want myself? Green?
Let's both do red.
I'm doing green.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Jack, 4 on that side.
This is fun, isn't it?
Jack, try to connect some. Yeah, put those 2 there. Put the 2 where the 4 are. Alright, good.
Wait, we'll see it. Oh.
Show them what you have so far.
Well, yours might
not
take
right now.
like an hour.
Alright, now, let's see.
I did it.
Great job, Jack. Okay, guys, so,
that was a short video.
So,
wait, are we doing more?
We'll, post the video once we know how to solve the whole thing, but for now,
well, we're gonna post this video soon, then we'll do another Rubik's Cube video when we can do the whole thing, so.
For now, see you soon.
Bye!